Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here to share the July-August Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life is geared towards your pocket page scrapbooking. It comes out every other month. It is jam-packed full of product. It also coordinates with your Flavors of the Month kit, so it's a perfect add-on for that kit, so be sure to check it out. You're going to get patterned papers that are cut aparts, perfect for pocket page scrapbooking, but the back sides are full 12 by 12 patterns, so you can use them in your 12 by 12 scrapbooking as well. And then lots of embellishments for each one of the collections. So let's take a closer look at the paper first, and then we'll move on to the embellishments. For the paper from Pink Paisley and Many More collection, you're going to get this cut apart sheet. So there are some square ones, some 3 by 4 that can even be cut down smaller. So it'd be 2 by 4 or 2 by 3. These 3 by 4s, and these are a little bit skinnier. Another square one. Love that they have some borders in here as well. And then these look like they're probably about 2.5 inch maybe squares. So lots of cute icons. This collection is geared for birthdays, but of course you can use it for lots of other things. But lots of the sayings on here would be perfect for cards and layouts. So you don't look a day over fabulous. Celebrate like nobody is watching. Age to perfection. You deserve all the good things. Let the party begin. Looking good, girl, and many more. Party, the cake. And the back is, like I said, a full 12 by 12 pattern. It's all of the sprinkles and a full branding strip, which is birthday candles. From the color play paper, We Can Just Stay Home, is this paper here that's cut apart that you can color. You can use any type of markers, watercolors, colored pencils, your inks, and a paintbrush. Lots of different options, but it's a slick paper, so you can definitely use all types of medium on it. The back is a black and white thinned stripe. For the Land That I Love collection from Doodlebug, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart. So lots of those cute, whimsical icons. Home of the Brave, America the Beautiful, July 4th, Let's Celebrate, Have a Blast, Hooray for the Red, White, and Blue, Let Freedom Ring. So we got you covered to scrapbook all of those photos from the 4th of July. The back is a stripe in all of the colors. Live Life Happy from Pebbles is just a feel-good collection. So this is the 3 by 4 cut apart. Follow your own rainbow. Keep some room in your heart for dreaming. Live life happy. Good vibes only. Wake up. Be amazing. Be brave. Be kind. Be you. Repeat. Focus on the good. Smile. It's contagious. You got this. Yes, you can. Love the donut for the C with a little bite out of it. Life is better when you're smiling. Do more of what makes you happy. No bad days. The back is a crossword puzzle, and they have used colored pencils or marker to circle out all of those great words about living life happy. And there's a full branding strip on the pink, says Live Life Happy. From the photo play paper, Let's Stay Home, we have 4 by 6 and 3 by 4 cut aparts. I love this one with all of the cute little monster little slippers. Family Slumber Party, You're Invited. Yay, Pajamas All Day. Tomorrow there will be rainbows. In times like these, we all need a squeeze. Cute little sloth squeezing his pillow. Family Fun, little game spinner. And it's a happy talent to know how to play. So documenting all of your fun playtimes. And the back are the rainbows on the yellow. Barbecue from Doodlebug is a 3 by 4, and I love that we have some that are landscape and some that are portrait. All about grilling in the outdoors and yummy food. The back are these cute little sunshines on the aqua background. Love the colors on that paper. And then from School Rules from Echo Park, we have these cut aparts that are 4 by 4s. The A is for apple, believe in yourself, a school list, a read with the cute little fox, make it happen, welcome back to school, discover the genius within, so many books, so little time, and school rules. So this is great for younger kids all the way up into college aged. The back are apples. We have apple slices and then the whole apples. That's a really cute paper. Then from Simple Stories, we have Bro & Co., which is the 3x4 color cut aparts. All the food, I can definitely relate to this. You rock, talk about awesome. So great for your guys. Love this plaid back here and the rich colors, really manly. And then another from Simple Stories, Simple Vintage, Great Escape. Love this collection. So this kind of gives you a sneak peek into next month's flavors of the month. But we have the 4x6 cut aparts, Not All Who Wander Are Lost. Look deep into nature and you will understand everything better. Make new discoveries. Life was made for good friends and great adventures. And then go where you feel most alive. Love the deep, rich colors in this collection. And the back is this gorgeous plaid in the green and that little bit of rust. So that is a look at all of the paper. As you can tell, it's jam-packed full of paper, whether you're looking for the cut-aparts or the 12x12s. So now let's look at the embellishments. For the embellishments, they're always jam-packed in the Shots of Life kit. So you're going to have a little bit of everything. And of course, you can use them for any of the collections. So we'll start with Simple Stories, Vintage Great Escape. You're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. We have these great little torn off, they kind of resemble a ticket. Live Life Fully, Let's Go Wonder, A World to See, Awesome Adventure, The Great Outdoors, Wild and Free, Explore Your World, We Are Adventurers, and Into the Wild. And then Go Explore, Adventure, Best Ever, Hike More, Outdoors, Natural, Good Life tickets. Some word labels down here. Love this. This is already all stacked up for you, this border embellishment. Tags and arrows, the butterflies, the viewfinder, some frames, and then these punch out inside of here whenever. And a little insect, lots of butterflies and mushrooms. So they've given you all three of these little clusters here, plus these as well, that are already ready for you. You can just tuck in there and all of the work is done. So beautiful, beautiful collection. From Pink Paisley and many more, you're going to get the 6x12 sticker sheet. So these are going to vary. But this is the sheet that was in my kit. I have some candles and flowers and presents and word labels, little frames. From the Doodlebug, Barbie Cute is the sticker sheet. So I got this red and white diagonal striped and lots of summer icons. Again, all of the summer foods and the barbecue foods, picnics. From Doodlebug Land That I Love, you're going to get the Doodle Pops. So it's these cute little firecrackers and then little starburst and dots. These are already popped up for you, so they're on pop dots. Give your page and your projects lots of dimension. From the Simple Stories Bro & Co., you're going to get the washi, so it's a striped with all of the different colors. For the Echo Park School Rules collection, you're going to get these matte enamel dots. These are from Doodlebug. So they will match lots of the different collections. They will definitely match the Doodlebug collections, the Bro & Co. So lots of options for those. And for Pebbles Live Life Happy, you're going to get 2 rows of the puffy hearts. So you get the rainbow of colors. So lots of options there. So one more look at your Shots of Life kit. You can see it is just jam-packed full of product, and it will help you make your pocket page scrapbooking. It will make your Flavors of the Month kits go even further. So it is a great kit to pick up. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store, and then join us over on the Facebook group and the blog for challenges. and to check out everybody's projects that they're making with their kids. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make with your kit.